conquer the toughest hills, explore deep into the far-flung desert, and effortlessly blaze through rugged terrain. The Kaabo Wolf King GTR e-scooter is here to make you the dominator of all adventurous rides. Complete with dual 2,000-watt split-hub motors and an upgraded 2-in-1 controller, giving an impressive current of 160 amps. This beast pumps out a maximum power of 13,440 watts, reaching speeds over 65 miles per hour with just a press of the trigger throttle. It delivers the high torque to climb up steep hills, up to 50% effortlessly. Activate the sprint mode with a touch of the S gear button for a punchy acceleration to 31 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. The Kaabo GTR is highly adaptable and can glide through all terrains with ease. Its motorcycle-grade hydraulic adjustable front suspension with an increased stroke of 12 millimeters, along with a rear all-new hydraulic spring damper providing 18 adjustable damping stages, handles any type of ride with solid prowess. Crafted from durable 6082 aviation aluminum alloy, the double-frame design and other essential parts ensure high performance and longevity. With a higher ground clearance of 258 millimeters, it can tackle 15% more diverse terrains. The enlarged 12-inch high-speed tires maximize road contact up to 100 millimeters, enhancing grip, and featuring self-healing puncture-proof technology developed in collaboration with CST. Equipped with dual hydraulic thickened disc brakes and complemented by the ABS, the Wolf King GTR ensures responsive stops, allowing you to go faster, farther, and safer while exploring more places. The upgraded controller simplifies wiring and enhances core properties with up to 3 high-tech cells. This enables better riding functions and future upgrades. The intelligent SoC algorithm ensures the motor runs stably, smoothly, and quietly. The optimized controller pairs with a unique Kaabo TFT display, offering a wide range of customization options. The Wolf King GTR is packed with features like the ESP mode, walk assist mode, standby mode, and anti-theft mode. The mode you set up before turning it off is kept for your next restart, making it a smart, adaptive, and user-friendly solution for various purposes. With a detachable and portable LG 72-volt 35Ah high-capacity battery, riders can confidently achieve a riding range of 180 kilometers per charge. Battery dormancy is automatically activated after 7 days of inactivity, ensuring overall security and prolonging the battery lifespan. The battery compartment features an air-cooled design to enhance heat dissipation and water drainage capabilities. The wires are hidden and neatly connected to each corresponding component, preventing electrical short circuits and loose wire problems. The Wolf King GTR ensures a safe ride with no blind spots thanks to the double headlights, turn signals, brake lights, and side lights. The upgraded kickstand with chamfered edges and extended length holds up the scooter firmly and stably every time you park. The Kaabo Wolf King GTR is born to deliver exhilarating cruises with exceptional safety. Its elevated elements across the board empower you to lead the pack and stand out from the rest. Get ready to unleash your adventurous spirit.